What's up guys, Guerrilla Chemist here, CEO of Chemix Lifestyle, to talk to you today about our intra-workout product, which is unlike any intra on the market. Most intra-workout products are just carbs and aminos, and that's okay. You need carbs and I'll explain why. But what I wanted to do is figure out exactly what causes fatigue, both physical and mental fatigue in the gym, and how to combat that with certain ingredients. So get ready for this video, it might be a little long. So let's look at your body's energy systems, right? Glucose, most of us run on carbohydrates. Glucose is the substrate that goes into glycolysis, which then goes into the Krebs cycle, which then goes into the electron transport chain, which eventually creates ATP, which is our currency of energy, right? So this molecule here is glucose. Simplest form of sugar, most easily digestible, right into your system to create ATP. Also can increase your insulin levels, which is good for getting carbohydrates into your bloodstream to get a pump and get them into your bloodstream quicker to be burned as energy. So I included 10 grams of pure glucose. I also included 15 grams of Cluster Dextrin. So Cluster Dextrin is just 8 of these glucose molecules chemically bonded together in a ring. So it's a cyclic structure. And the good thing about this is that it's a high molecular weight, so it has very quick motility. It goes through your digestive system very quickly, where these 8 different glucose molecules are then broken up into single glucose structures, which then go into glycolysis and give out ATP. So these are the two of the carbohydrate sources I included. The third one is one that's not used a whole lot, which bothers me because this is an amazing ingredient. I used 5 grams of D-ribose. So D-ribose is a sugar molecule, but it's not just a normal sugar molecule. It's the sugar molecule that is necessary for NADH and FADH2, which are electron carriers through oxidative phosphorylation, which is part of this cycle to get ATP. It's also critical for production of DNA and RNA, and guess what? It's the sugar molecule that is on ATP. So it's the limiting step for which you form ATP inside your body. It's also been shown in studies that it's critical for the resynthesis of ATP. So when we're working out, we're depleting ATP. We need this D-ribose in order to make more ATP. And so it's critical that we use D-ribose to make more ATP inside the body. Studies show that supplementing with D-ribose during your workout has elevated your ATP levels back almost to normal after your workout as they were at the beginning of your workout, if that makes sense. So you essentially are here at the end of your workout, but when you supplement with D-ribose, you're almost back to where you started from. It's been shown to increase almost 20% of total reps during your workouts, and it's been shown to increase muscular strength. So D-ribose does a lot of cool things. And like I said, all of these are necessary to making energy, including these two, which are all part of the glycolysis and energy system. The other energy system that your body uses is your phosphocreatine system, right? So creatine can get phosphorylated from ATP to create ADP, and it gets phosphorylated here on the nitrogen. This is where the chemical energy is in this bond. So we get creatine, gets phosphorylated, and then to make more ATP, we go back through this process where this now bonds with ADP, which is adenosine diphosphate, takes this phosphate group off, forms more ATP, and then kicks back creatine. So this is another energy system that can also make you tired when you're working out and cause fatigue. So we included 5 grams of creatine monohydrate, which is the most studied one, and it's been shown to be the best form, under the trademarked Creapure, which is a 99% pure creatine. Creatine is an osmolyte, which also causes hydration, as well as the molecule betaine, which we talked about before. Betaine causes cellular hydration because it draws water molecules into your cells. Betaine has also been shown to increase performance during your workouts, as well as increase time to exhaustion so that you can work out longer. So taking betaine during your workouts may also benefit in the way of increasing cellular hydration so you're not dehydrated, as well as increasing performance in the gym. And like I mentioned in other videos, as little as 2% dehydration can decrease your performance by up to 20%. Going along with hydration, we included electrolytes. because these are the things that are eliminated through sweat very, very quickly and can cause many cellular reactions inside your body not to happen properly. So we included Calci-K, which is a blend of calcium, potassium, and phosphate, and pink Himalayan salt, which is sodium and chloride. If you know, inside your body there are tons of ion channels, your sodium and potassium ion channel, your calcium ion channel. All of these are critical to your muscles contracting, to doing any type of work in the gym, keeping yourself hydrated, chemical, electrical energy inside your system. So staying hydrated and with electrolytes is critical during your workouts, and they are lost very quickly through sweat. So we included an electrolyte blend as well. On the flip side of just energy systems and physical fatigue, you also get mentally fatigued in the gym. If you've ever trained for a long time, you start to get tired, but your mind starts to get tired first. And that's mental fatigue. And that is caused by the formation of ammonia, okay? Ammonia is broken down from amino acids. So your body, while you're working out, can break down amino acids as well as adenosine monophosphate, which will kick out ammonia here, and ammonia will bind with sodium bicarbonate to make this molecule here. And you follow the ammonia, that's why I circled it, okay? Ornithine has been shown in studies to decrease circulating ammonia in your body significantly and decrease the levels of GABA, which decrease mental fatigue. Now, why does it decrease GABA? Because ammonia is critical for the formation of the molecule GABA. So follow the ammonia here. Ornithine binds with this molecule here. Ornithine binds with this molecule, takes the ammonia with it to form citrulline, goes through the urea cycle. Okay, so now we are chemically bonding the ammonia that should be just floating around making you tired and forming GABA. We're actually creating citrulline, and then we'll eventually kick it out as urea inside through the urea cycle. So this is a unique ingredient that's not really found in a lot of intra-workouts. And I purposely wanted to use the 4-gram studied version of ornithine because a lot of people do get mentally fatigued, myself included, before you get physically fatigued in the gym. And it's very important to combat that. So this product was made to encompass all the ways that you get fatigued and then fight them so that you can work out longer, harder in the gym, as well as staying hydrated. So anything you could think of that would make you tired in the gym, we covered here with our Intra-Workout. It's the most unique premium formula out there. I would put it against any formula that is on the market right now. It's not just carbs and aminos, it's not just carbs. It's a very specific blend of ingredients at very specific doses to prevent both physical and mental fatigue in the gym. For more information, please visit www.chemixlifestyle.com for a complete write-up, and I'll see you guys later.